In a conventional staircase, the stringer is actually built inside the walls. It's usually made out of construction lumber, hidden behind drywall or paneling, something like that. It's part of the structural member of the house. So our stringers are made out of steel or stainless steel if it's going to be an exterior stringer. Our stringers are structural. They're meant to be seen. They're part of the open concept. Part of what you see is the floating staircase foundation. So our fixed brackets, we actually went through a little over 20 different iterations before we landed on what we're currently using today. We started off with adjustable angle brackets on every stringer. While they had a nice rugged feel, there was a lot of exposed hardware and a lot of complexity in the install process. So every single tread needed to be leveled and adjusted for your staircase. Now, again, with your floor-to-floor measurements, our engineering team lays out your stringer and every bracket is made and bent to your specific stringer angle. So there's a lot more ease of installation as well as a lightweight shipping option, so it doesn't weigh as much when you go to install. Previous to the fixed brackets, it would probably take around 15 minutes per tread to set and level each bracket before you could install the treads. Now with our new fixed bracket design, it takes about 2 minutes a tread. Every little detail matters, from the hardware that we select in the nuts and bolts to bolt the stringer together, to the brackets that we've designed and engineered, so each stringer is unique for your job. Part of the safety aspects is there's lots of codes and requirements out there, especially with stairs and the fall hazard. We not only meet those codes, but everything we design and build is worked around at least a 3-times safety factor, but our stringers, we actually don't have the equipment to test them to break string. We've put 10,000 pounds on our stair systems before without having any issues of bending or flexing or failure.